Hi guys, it's John here from Integral CNC and Australian Outdoors. Just completed this large enclosure for a customer based in Brisbane. It's obviously still in its raw format, heading to the powder coaters tomorrow to be finished in woodland grey. This particular unit is around about 2.6 metres long, 1.5 metres deep and about 1.2 metres tall. So this one features dual gates on the front with a very large area inside for all of the equipment, pool equipment, panels with a center profile running down here that's pop riveted on there just to keep all of the slats in alignment. Same on the lid and even on the gates. So this particular unit has a right hand side gate as well. Customer requested right hand side access. Left side opening. So we've got the gate on the side there and the two gates on the front. Plenty of access into this particular unit. Nicely blended corners. These will come up beautiful once they're powder coated. So this particular lid, given the size, is fairly heavy. So this one will get two 700mm gas struts, rated to 200 Newton meters. Now this is a wall mounted version, so as you can see there's no back on there. So the unit actually gets all of its strength once it's mounted to the wall. So there'll be six brackets that we'll make for this enclosure. Two will mount to the side, two across the lid support rail, and another two on this side. So once that's bolted to the wall, it'll be very strong. So yeah, this one's made for a customer in Brisbane, but we do ship all over Australia. Many units going to New South Wales. Even recently sent a commercial unit down to Tasmania to the airport. We can ship all over Australia. Send us a email to info@australianoutdoors.com.au and we can very quickly and promptly supply you with a quote for a quality pool pump enclosure that's made right here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. So thanks for watching.